Managing the maintenance of nursing equipment and supplies is essential to ensuring continuity of care, patient safety, and operational efficiency in healthcare services. A technical failure can compromise both diagnosis and clinical intervention. From a technical standpoint, this management includes inventory, functional verification, calibration, and scheduling of preventive and corrective maintenance for clinical devices. In this regard, nursing staff must understand the basic operation of each piece of equipment, report incidents, and coordinate with specialized technical services. Therefore, it is crucial to implement protocols that ensure the traceability of each piece of equipment, its frequency of use, storage conditions, and lifespan. Furthermore, the creation of detailed records and the categorization of materials according to their criticality are promoted to prioritize interventions. This management is also recommended in all healthcare settings, especially in units that rely on specific technology such as intensive care, operating rooms, neonatology, and emergency departments. It is also relevant in accreditation programs and external audits. However, it is not recommended to disregard maintenance for budgetary reasons or to delegate this responsibility without ensuring adequate training. Lack of follow-up can lead to operational failures, loss of warranty, or risk to the patient. In conclusion, efficient maintenance management strengthens the quality of the clinical environment and ensures that every intervention is performed with equipment in optimal condition. Thus, nursing plays a key role as a link between clinical use and the technological sustainability of the system.